Yeah.
Really, what we're doing here is we're fighting the coronavirus.
Yes, I understand.
Fighting corona.
Corona with corona.
All right. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, and I'm on the farm here with the happy farmers, and
Careful with that girl, now.
I just forward up on the ends here, and the man them are full joy the situation. And say it's a pandemic. So what the item here doing? The item just chilling out.
That's right.
All right, we have the Dasheen field over there, so I'm asking us still enough. The Dasheen now. The Dasheen sell here in Florida.
That's right, brother.
Enough?
Yeah, man.
Who you sell it to? Like supermarket or people individually come buy?
Individually.
What? I thought it was cocoa actually, brother. I been passed down here about 2 years ago, you know, and nobody was here, and the sprinkler was running, and I had a big cocoa them. So I like what the man them I do with the place still, you know. Yeah. So what the item from?
From Trinidad, Guyana, America.
This was originated in India.
Yeah. The Dasheen.
Dasheen originated in India. It was brought over to the Western world by Indian people who came as immigrants from India.
Good. It reminds me of cocoa still, you know. Only thing is
Cocoa is the cousin.
it's like the cousin.
Cocoa Malanga.
So this one is the original.
So
Dasheen.
all of them is original.
Okay. I like Dasheen though, man.
What happened in the Jamaican diaspora,
Yeah.
they have everything mixed up.
Okay.
That you have in your hand there,
Yeah. The Callaloo.
what you call kalo, that's not Callaloo. Callaloo is a dish.
Yeah.
Callaloo, that is chorai bhaji. What you have there, that is the name of that is chorai bhaji.
Chorai Baji.
Yeah.
Kopen Baji.
Kopen Baji.
And
This
that, in Guyana, they go call it cow shit bhaji.
yeah.
Because when the cow shit, they eat the grass, that would grow better on the cow shit. Top of the land, you're getting.
Yeah?
However, Callaloo, what the Jamaicans talk about Callaloo is not Callaloo.
Yeah.
Callaloo is a dish. That is, you could term that spinach, you could term it caliti as in Spanish,
Yes.
or you could term it as Indian people would say chorai bhaji. That was brought from India again.
Chorai
That didn't
bhaji.
grow wild here.
Okay.
The advent of Indian people in the Caribbean, they brought that over with them in the bag. And it was cultured, grown, researched, and cultured again to bring it to Powtown, Callaloo.
The big leaf one, them. The big leaf one.
Yeah,
Okay.
they call that Powtown. However, the original of that came from India.
Okay.
Not grown wild in the Caribbean and people think it grew.
So the Dasheen now, you say the Dasheen now come from India.
They
But
bring
a
that
beautiful field,
Southeast
man.
Asia.
Okay.
China have it, Hawaii have it, India have it, but it was brought in the Western world by the Indian people. All right, later, you take care of yourself.
So the, yes, family, take care.
All right. Are you familiar with that that tree over there?
What, the merengue?
Merengue.
Yeah, yeah.
Not
Well,
moringa, that moringa.
moringa. I'm just getting
Original
familiar.
name for that is Saijan. That again is was brought from India.
I heard they call it like never die or something like that.
So,
Is now people now
What happened?
getting to understand what